In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the view from grid to list in Google Drive. Whether you prefer to see your files laid out neatly in a list or spread across in a grid format, customizing the view to fit your needs can greatly enhance your productivity and ease of access. This is a simple process, perfectly suited for beginners and those who might be less familiar with the Google Drive interface. Let's start by navigating to Google Drive. If you aren't already signed in, you'll want to do that first by entering your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Google Drive homepage, where all your files and folders live. The default view on this page is often set to a grid layout, but if you find that a list view would better suit your needs, changing it is straightforward. As you look toward the top right corner of your screen, just under the search bar, you will see a small icon that looks like a grid. This icon indicates that your files are currently being displayed in the grid layout. Beside it, you'll notice another icon, which looks somewhat like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is the list layout icon, and clicking on it will shift your view to the list format. Go ahead and click on this list layout icon. When you do, you'll see your files rearrange themselves neatly into rows, each file becoming a line item with more detailed information such as its last modified date and its owner right there at a glance. This list view format can be incredibly useful if you often sort or search your documents based on specific criteria, or if you simply wish for a tidier appearance. If, at any point you wish to revert to the original grid view, you can easily do so by once again locating the icon in the upper right corner. This time, click on the grid layout icon that appears next to the list layout icon you just used. Doing this will return your display to the more visually sprawling grid format, where files are shown as icons and folders appear larger, almost like a pinboard. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to switch between grid and list views in Google Drive. By getting comfortable with these view settings, you'll be better equipped to manage your documents effectively, and you can tailor your Drive interface to suit the task at hand, whether it's maximizing detail or organizing files compactly. Remember, Google's ecosystem is designed with flexibility in mind, so take advantage of these small yet powerful customization options. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.